Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 408 and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the phone. So to get started you will need to open up the standalone contacts application. Give me a sec to actually find it. So I'm just gonna simply search for it once it gives me the keyboard. There we go. So contacts. Now in here it will show me all the contacts that are right now on the device. It is pulling those contacts from the Google account, which you can see right up here. You can tap on it and also we'll change it to nothing because that's the only place where the phone is finding contacts at the moment. Now to import our contacts from the SIM card, we're simply gonna select right here the fix and manage button and then import from, should be import from SIM, but we don't have such a thing, so we're gonna select the manage SIM, I presume. And as you can see, it automatically shows us all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now there's only 2 contacts that are selected and I cannot select other ones, and that is because all these contacts supposedly exist on the Google account already. Now the truth is actually all of them already exist on there, so all of them should be deselected, but the phone ain't perfect, so it's not really finding my number and info line for some reason. But anyway, from here we can tap on the drop down menu and change it to some other location, as an example, device. So this will then allow me to import all the contacts because there is no contacts located on the actual device itself. There are contacts only on the Google account. So when I import them now, and I'll navigate back to contacts, you will most likely realize that if you are logged into a Google account and you did the same thing to import contacts to your device, you don't see your contacts right here. And that's normal because we are still pulling contacts from our Google account. So we're going to click right here on this icon and select device, which will then show all the contacts that have been imported strictly just to the device. And there we go. Those are all the contacts that I have imported. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Now if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.